Good morning, everyone. Welcome back or welcome to the channel where every day we do a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, to the reading come to we from Luke 21, and we're going to read from verse 15 to verse 22. Here what it say. Me will give you the word them, so no we know how to answer. So none of our enemy them can't turn up against you or say you wrong. All mother, father, brother, family and friend I go sell you out. And them I go kill some of you. Everybody I go hate you say you follow me. But them can't touch not even one straw in a ear upon your head. Who turn up strong for me? No matter what, we save them life. When time you see, say soldiers surround Jerusalem, you fi know say destruction then here. Everybody in Judea for run go up in the mountain them. Who in the city fi come out, and who they in the country no fi come at the town. The time we right down, we gotta go punishing people would have done there. When you hear what God would say, a God would this. Thank God.